Isa sa magandang sinabi ni Snoop Dogg.
This is the gap when we start. This is the gap as you grow. Notice how you grow and they don't. So how do you close the gap? You gotta come back down. When you come back down, you lose. So you gotta keep going up. That's why closing that gap gotta be them catching up to you. And if they don't catch up, you gotta leave them behind, because you get to the point now where you gotta start cutting out. You know what I'm saying? And it's like you can't look back when you cut them out. Because if they meant to be there, they're gonna be there forever.
Sa sinabi ni Snoop Dogg, meron talagang gap sa friendship, sa relationship, o sa kang anuman. Parte na ng adulting ang let go ng ibang tao. Di dahil yumabang ka o kung ano man ang tawag nila. Parte na ng buhay yan na dadating ka sa punto na kailangan mong lisanin ang iba dahil sa rason. Rason dahil di lahat ng kasama sa first year kasama mo sa graduation.